Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to turn on the idle alert. And you might be wondering, what is idle alert? First of all, you can swipe from the bottom, settings, go to idle alert and turn it on. And we can also put a duration. When do we start? When we want it to annoy us, basically. So we can start at 8 till 10, and nap time can be like time that you actually go to sleep. Maybe you do take a nap because you work in Spain or something like that. You can toggle that on and have a nap time, but you actually can't change the time, which is interesting. So basically there we have the idle alert. What does this do? This basically checks our activity during the day, and if it notices that we're being very sedentary, it'll say, hey, time to move. So make you get up, move a little bit, sit down again. So that is the idle alert. Do remember that if you are gonna take a nap out of that time range, it will let you know and probably vibrate. So if that annoys you, just take it off, and that's how you do it. You can also go to the menu here, settings, and do it from here. So that's the same thing. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye.